everyone, it's Heidi with WTI. And how fun is it to be able to decorate and personalize your own mugs? Who doesn't love getting a mug as a gift? This Cricut Mug Press gives such professional results. The most impressive part is the finished product is dishwasher safe. No worries about your design peeling off. It's used with Infusible Ink Transfer Sheets or Infusible Ink pens or markers, so you can even draw your design on. It uses a heat plate to adhere the design to the mug, but it's done very safely. This machine has an auto shut-off. It is so easy to operate. You have one button to press it on, and the Cricut website gives you all the instructions on how to use it. I've been able to make my family and friends such fun mugs, and I love using the Cricut Mug Press to surprise them, and that's really the fun of it all. And that's my point of view.